From there? Yeah. Oh shit, it's there. So, yes. Oh, we can't do that. Yeah, I know. Like, the funny was just once you got in there, there was another one view, like the airport, and then it stopped.
Show. That's the rod I caught it on.
Still got it in though. They're sharp.
I want to see this. It's,
No, that's not really nice.
yeah, watch this. Nah, it stopped. Oh, there's a little bit of blood coming out. For the viewers at home. Oh shit. Stu, I hooked it, you pulled it in. It was a team effort because I wound it. Dan gaffed it. You're going to drop it, mate. That would be good. What'd you get, Dan? Show me. How was it smaller than my snapper?
Hey?
How small was it?
Yeah, bigger maybe. Oh, don't do it.
Is it off? You.
Lovely.
Oh, that's a nice size, that one. That's its mum. And how did you catch that one, Stu?
Fishing. Oh, I was actually checking my messages on my phone. Someone says,
And Dan goes,
someone goes, Stu, you're on.
that's how you fish.
Good work.
Stu, smile for the camera, mate.
We're going well on the fishing comp. Steam on.
Yeah.
With the beers at 10 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful. Fish. Jesus, cut them off. See all the reef and everything out. It's really easy for driving on shallow stuff.